After trying for over 2 years with different AI tools, I finally helped a friend to do a real client's project where I turned this 2D floor plan through this process to achieve this 3D interior rendering. I will try to compress this experience here in a simple way, but the strategy I use to get into AI's mind is a game changer. Are you ready? I used the free version of Nano Banana through Google AI Studio at aistudio.google.com. You can sign in with your preferred Google account or create one. The first thing is getting the mood board ready. Before I started prompting, I used Google to gather all the furniture I needed for the project and then place them around the floor plan using an image editor. I drew lines pointing at the objects and their actual location on the plan for the final output. This is to direct AI on where to place them. Then I uploaded the mood board with this prompt. If you're to create a minimalistic modern office interior design of this CEO office using the arrow as camera spot and the collection I have placed accordingly, what would you see? It was a good practice to ask AI what it can see. That helped me to issue my prompt properly. But at first, Nano Banana gave image output, which is not what I wanted. So I reprompted with, the question is, what would you see? Text. Then it gave me the description I needed. From the camera spot, you would see a minimalistic modern CEO office. Immediately in front, a sleek dark wood desk with a modern desktop computer setup. Behind the desk, the CEO's brown leather office chair. To the left of the CEO's chair and facing the desk, 2 visitors' office chairs. The back wall features stylish dark wood cladding, adding texture and warmth. The right wall, a window fitted with dark wood blind, providing a contemporary and private feel. General impression, the overall aesthetic would be clean, uncluttered, and functional with a sophisticated color palette of dark woods, white walls, and touches of brown and gray. This is kind of a hack to get into AI's mind so as to understand how it sees the materials and what it will call them. After I have gotten what I wanted, I used what it gave me to prompt it again on what I wanted to see in 3D. So I uploaded the mood board again, and here's the prompt I coined from the description it gave me. A sleek, dark wood desk with a modern desktop computer setup. Behind the desk, the CEO's brown leather office chair. In front of the CEO's chair and facing the desk, 2 visitors' office chairs. The back wall features stylish dark wood wall cladding, adding texture and warmth with a slim vertical bookshelves at the edge of the right wall. The left wall, a window fitted with dark wood blind, providing a contemporary and private feel. General impression, the overall aesthetic would be clean, uncluttered, and functional with a sophisticated color palette of dark woods, white walls, and touches of brown and gray. Note there are free spaces by the 2 sides of the desk. Then it gave me this, and I was pleased, but there was still so much to be done. My friend sent me this image he got via Google for the back wall cladding. I uploaded the image and said, using this image as a reference, add this wall cladding to the remaining part of the back wall, from the edge of the left wall to the start of the dark cladding. It's good that Nano Banana did ignore some typos, and it gave a wonderful result. Then my friend said he wanted a TV by the right wall. Then I told Nano Banana to add a plasma television on the right wall, and that appeared great too. To position the TV properly and include a display, I asked it to raise the plasma TV up a bit and to on a football match. The result was amazing too, but we still have more things to do. I then asked to add a flower pot and a good vertical flower at the edge of the left and back wall, and it did so well. But then my friend needed the floor to have tiles, so I asked it to add the tile lines, 300mm by 300mm tiles. And as usual, we got a nice result. For the video, I just uploaded the image to Grok and it gave me one automatically with no prompt. Of course, you can prompt it by choice. Subscribe.